Alright, we're gonna do a quick video, how to, well, not really how to, but basically replacing the air filter with the K&N one. First thing you do is just pop your hood. Next thing, lift up the thing. There we go, like magic. Alright. So second thing you do is you're gonna have to pop these clips right here. You're gonna have to pop this one and then pop that one right there. And it should be pretty simple. Boom, boom, there. Took you like 1 second. And then you're gonna have to just like pop this outwards. Just waiting for my friend to come and do it while I record. But this is basically the K&N air filter we're gonna be using. It's supposed to add, I believe, like 5 extra horsepower. So 2017 ones come with 205. So an extra 5, that's 210. So I could go brag to all my friends. This is the part number 33-5060. And I have my lovely assistant over there. Is gonna help me install this just because I'm lazy today and I want to record. So I already did this for you.
Oh, sweets.
Yeah. It's not bad, 30. But is that you're supposed to like hold it up to the light? Yeah, you can still see through it a little bit.
Oh, paper.
Oh yeah, the stickers. That's what adds the horsepower.
Looks the same to me.
Yeah, the other one was like round.
Right. So that's why it didn't fit.
Yeah.
This main part.
For sure.
And now this thing is pretty oily actually. Alright.
Oh yeah. Yeah, looks a lot better.
So I don't know, I took it off this way.
Yeah.
Seated?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks seated?
Yeah.
Seems like that should be it.
Alright, that's pretty much it. Job well done. Thank you, Rodolfo.